In this video I will show you how to fix Outlook too many request problem when trying to access Outlook. It might occur if high number of login attempts from your IP address on Outlook server. It can be caused by corrupted browser cache, browser extensions and even IP address, so let's look some of the solution. First let's look by clearing Outlook cache. For this open your web browser. Then at top click on 3 dots next to your account. Next click on settings. On the left pane click on privacy and security. On the main pane click on third-party cookies. Next click on see all site data and permissions. Then under search type Outlook. There you will get list of website. Just click on delete icon to delete all of them. Second, we can try disabling browser extensions. Sometimes some extension might create conflicts with Outlook, so we might get that too many request error. To disable it, go to 3 dot at the top of browser. Then click on extensions. Then manage extensions. Then just disable all the extension for now. After that again try accessing the Outlook. If you are not able to open it, then try next solution. Let's try flushing DNS and reset network settings. For this go to search and type CMD and then run command prompt as administrator. If you get the pop-up, click on yes. There type following IP config flush DNS and netsh winsock reset command as shown here. Next you can try changing network connection. Try logging in with a different internet connection and try login again and you should be able to log in. Just give it a try. With these 4 solutions you must be able to log in back and use Outlook without no too many request error. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.